Looking to earn cash online from the comfort of your own home? Then this company is perfect for you. It is secured, reliable, and a free site for anyone who wants to earn money online. So you are going to earn $20 hourly wage with an overnight shift differential and a bonus opportunities. So this company is looking for a social media support specialist. If this job fits for you, then make sure to watch the video up to the very end. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new in this channel, my name is Manilyn, a full-time mom, a freelancer, and a virtual assistant. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell button so that you'll be notified every time I uploaded a new videos all about making monies online. If you have any clarifications, suggestions, or comments about this video, please feel free to leave a comment down below. Alright guys, so for today's video, I am going to share with you these new opportunities wherein you can earn money while you are just staying at home, because this is a full-time work from home job and you are going to earn $20 per hour. And the good thing in this company is that you guys have a benefits, or they will give you a benefit. So you make sure to watch the video up to the very end. So today I'm going to give a background information about this company. So the job opportunities, what are you going to do in this job, and of course your salary. Alright guys, so the company that I was referring to is called Concentrix, and they are now hiring for a social media support group or support specialist. So they are offering $20 per hour and they have some benefits. Before I am going to discuss deeper into this video or the role or the jobs that you're going to apply, let me give you a short background about Concentric. Okay, so Concentric is an American business service company specializing in customer engagement and business performance. Concentrix also was a subsidiary of Cenix Corporation since 2006 and went public as an independent company on December 1, 2020. And now let me discuss with you the perks and the rate once you get hired in this company or in this job. So they have $20 hourly rate, and the equipment is also provided. So they also have comprehensive benefits including medical, dental, and vision, and also the endless career growth opportunities and the employees rewards and recognition programs, and also the exciting company atmosphere with welcoming culture driven by diversity and inclusively and teamwork, and also wellness program to help you maintain a better quality of life. And also, once you get hired, the employee will get a discount program. So once you are hired in this position, so this is the things that you are going to do. So this is like a day in your life. So you have to ensure all services delivered meets contractual key performance indicator. And of course, guys, you need to understand or use decision support tools and resources to resolve customer issues that are non-standard. And you have to maintain broad knowledge of clients, products, or services. You also need to do troubleshooting time-sensitive issues, which can include campaign ads, marketing, research, and correct issues with payments and payment sources. So you have to ensure advertising campaigns that are following all legal requirements, which may include advertisers and organization spend. So you also need to ensure proactive and ongoing communication with users as the issue evolves throughout its case life. And lastly, you have to navigate internal stakeholder needs both for the standard help desk and escalation help. So listen up guys, because this is the skills that you need to be in order for you to get hired or to be chosen in this position. First, you need to have the ability to maintain tracking of all communications through phone, emails, and chat, as well as this communication with other internal support team members. Second, the ability to self-diagnose and flag both common and abnormal issues and escalate when appropriate. Third, the strong written and verbal communication skills and ability to clearly document complex bugs and the steps to reproduce. And the fourth is you need to resolution mindset, proven experience, helping users navigate the client online platform tools to a solution. And the sixth is you need to have You need to have the ability to work as a team member as well as independently and collaboratively. So 7 is you need to demonstrate patience in a customer contact situation, including maintaining a pleasant and professional tone, both written and verbal. And here is the list of the minimum requirements before you apply in this position. So first, you need to have at least a high school diploma and at least 1 year social media related experience required, additional customer service technical, call center or sales experience preferred. So you have to able to rotate shifts as needed, flexibility for morning, evening, and possible overnight shift. So you need to have a strong computer navigation skills and a PC knowledge. You need to also have a skill in multitasking, including the ability to be flexible and adapt to changes quickly. And of course, a quiet distraction-free location in your home to work. Completion of internet speed tests to ensure in-home internet speed meets their requirements, and they will need to submit or submit it to determine if it's eligible. So the equipment provided while working at home and is required to be returned if the employment is ended. The employee may be asked to use their personal computer or tablet for the first week of employment at home during orientation while the equipment is being shipped to your address. So disclaimer, so all the statement I provide in this video is intended to describe the general nature and level of work being performed by people assigned to this job. So they are not intended to be an exhaustive list of all responsibilities, duties, and skills required of personnel working within this job title. Because Concentric is an equal opportunity employer. So Concentric evaluates qualified applicants without regard to race, color, religion, gender, either national origin, age, sexual orientation, gender identity, or expression. So protective veteran status, disability status, or any other legal protective characteristic. If you think that this job fits for you, then you may apply on the link I provided in the description box below. And that's it, guys. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions or clarification about this company or about this job, please feel free to leave a comment down below. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. So bye for now and happy earnings.